my channel. Today I am back with a Nordstrom and Express try-on haul. Two of my favorite stores to shop for clothing and shoes and accessories. I love them both. So if you guys want to see more on this video, keep on watching. But before we get started, I did want to say welcome if you're new around here. I'm Fabiola, for those of you that don't know me, and I love to create lifestyle, fashion, and beauty videos. So if you love any of that, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also make sure to check out my blog and my Instagram at FABIOLAGBEAUTY.com. That being said, let's go ahead and move on to the try-on haul. Hey you guys, so here is outfit number one. I have this beautiful outfit. This one here is from Express and Nordstrom. So I'm going to show you guys the top right here, which is my favorite. It's gorgeous. It's in like this really light blush pink color, and it has these like ruffles all around the shoulders, which is stunning. This one here is from Express, and I also paired it up with these jeans, also from Express. They have like the best jeans ever, so if you're looking for like good jeans, definitely check out Express. They have like amazing jeans. So I paired it up with these high heels, and I got these at Nordstrom. They are from the brand Michael Kors, and they're just so pretty, you guys. They were like in this like nude color, which I definitely needed because I did not have any like nude colors. So I thought that looks like great with the outfit. And then I also paired it up with this beautiful purse. This is one of my newest Louis Vuitton purses, and I absolutely love it. It's called the Flore Wallet on Chain, and this chain here is removable, so if you want to use it as like a clutch, you can definitely do so. So here I have this other outfit, and let me show you guys this gorgeous top. This one here is from Nordstrom, and I don't know if you guys can see it in the camera, but it has this like little like sparkle all through the top. It's so pretty, very like soft, and then it also has this like round detail here on the neck. And then I'm wearing these jeans here, also from Express. I told you guys I love their jeans. These are also like super high-waisted, and they have these like really nice button detail all on the side here. And I paired it up with these high heels here, like they're sandals. They're so pretty. These here are Michael Kors, and I got them at Nordstrom. They are so comfy and they're so pretty, perfect for like the summer and spring. And then I paired it up with this Coach wallet. It's like a clutch. You can also use it as a purse. It does have like a chain on it, but since the buttons are like this color, I just didn't think it would match, so I'm just carrying it like this. But I absolutely love this outfit.
I'm waiting for an answer, waiting for a sparkle to come to ignite love. I need no second chances. I'm tired of romance.
So here is this other outfit. I adore this dress. It's so comfy. I got this at Express, and it's made out of this like t-shirt material, like a ribbed t-shirt, but it's so comfy, you guys. And it has this like ruffle detail right here on the bottom, which is just so pretty. It gives it like a lot of detail and kind of, you know, moves as you're walking. And I love this dress. It has like these like tiny little buttons here. Also the sleeves are a little bit kind of like ruffled, which is really pretty because it just gives it this like really nice like flowy look. Nothing too like tight or anything. And I paired it up with these sandals again from Michael Kors. I feel like I'm going to be wearing these like so much this summer. I love them. I also paired it up with my Louis Vuitton Neverfull PM. This is a PM size. I know a lot of people think that this is the MM size, but it's the PM size. I had the MM at one point. I sold it and opted to get the PM just because it's not so big, and I feel like this way it doesn't lose its shape. So I'll leave you guys like a whole video on this purse, but if I were to recommend like a nice purse from Louis Vuitton, I would definitely recommend a Neverfull, and I just like love this size. And I also have this like little fur pom-pom hanging from it, which is like a keychain. But yeah, this is the other outfit. So here is the last outfit, and oh my goodness, I adore this skirt. It is so pretty, you guys. This skirt here is from Express, and it's made of this like super soft satin material. It's like in this like light pink color. I believe they also had it in like black, I believe, and maybe like another color. I think it was like red maybe. But oh my goodness, when I saw this one in pink, I was like, oh my gosh, I need to get this. And I am wearing it with this sequin top. This top here is from Nordstrom, and I like it because it's like dressy but not dressy at the same time, because it's almost like a t-shirt style. So you can definitely like wear it up or down. You can even wear it with jeans. I also have this purse right here. This one here is from Nordstrom, and it reminds me of like a Chloe dupe. And then I paired it up with these nude heels. So that concludes this try on haul. Let me know in the comments down there below which one was your favorite, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.